regarding the parameter setup and the tuning direction for this car, it can be described in the text. So, what's the difference between the GT and this car? Because we never do the Formula car before. So
Yeah.
so maybe there's different mining size.
Yeah, so we do a lot with push rods, so higher lifting and lowering push rods to get whatever turn in you want. All of our cars we use a rear roll bar, so it mounts in here and to there, which I think it'll need. Wolf don't seem to use them on many of their cars, and we always order bits to roll up because we use it all the time.
But we don't have the roll arm.
No. So
it could be, so you buy the roll arm from the wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it might be bits that we.
They have the option for it.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Because then what I've also brought. So we do a packer set we've done for. So that goes in there with these clip-in spacers, so you can set your gap when it's on the road. So they're easily adjustable, so you can just clip them in with spacers, so that they.
What's this?
Spacer. So that one goes into there.
Oh.
And then that goes in that side. So effectively, it sits like that with a set gap, and then just to get that gap right, we clip them in. And then if you're on track, and because when you've got the downforce, when it sits on the road, you just clip them in or take them out. So we've got all different 3D printed sizes now. Because then what we've also got is we've made that up for the pit speed, because we've had a few of the drivers as they turn, they've engaged pit speed. So we've got that pull the wheel apart and we put that in there. Because then do you have any camber shims?
Yes, we have. Yes,
So I just thought I'd bring some just in case.
Okay.
If we do the setup and we need to change things. Because then droop's a big one, setting the droop.
Okay.
But we'll go through all that when we do the set down and set up. We might have to look at getting some other springs possibly.
Yeah, maybe we need to do some test for this.
That's it for today's video. If you're interested in professional maintenance and modification for Wolf racing cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.